Eat your way through Pampanga's food scene, the 10 things to do in Luzon, the Philippines. Mike Aquino. Filipino food will feel strangely familiar to Mexican food fans. As you'll find in Pampanga, Spanish rule, by way of Mexico, influenced local dishes, later evolving to accommodate local ingredients and cooking techniques. Thus you get tsokolate, a thick hot chocolate drink laced with crushed peanuts, chicharon, pork rinds fried to a crisp, turrones de kasoy, a rice paper wrapped nougat adapted from the Spanish turron de Alicante, and plantanillas, a candy made from slow-boiled water buffalo milk. You'll experience these and more as you work your way through Pampanga's scattered towns, many of which were half buried by the 1991 Pinatubo volcanic eruption. The town of Guagua is buried 10 feet deep, whereas Bacolor Church was inundated with 20 feet of mud, though it remains in use today. Getting there, Pampanga is a 2-hour drive north of Manila, and can be accessible by bus or rented car. Use the places mentioned in our Pampanga food tour and Philippines food safari articles as a handy reference. Reliable guides include Outer Eater and Mangan K. Pampangan.